Rumble by Link Wray. If you want to learn how to play this tune, it's in the GCH Guitar Academy First Steps guitar course, and the tablets can be downloaded completely free from www.ebooks4guitar.com. If you're already following the course and you've got the tabs, this video is just so you can listen to the tune so you have a good idea how it sounds when we learn how to play it. Here it is then, Rumble by Link Wray. In my opinion, this is one of the coolest, easy tunes you can learn. And it still sounds good today, which is remarkable when you think about it, because this tune was originally released in 1958, making it over 60 years old. And an interesting bit of history is, this is one of the only instrumentals ever to be banned from the radio in both the USA and the UK. If you'd like to learn how to play this tune, you'll find it in the GCH Guitar Academy First Steps guitar course very soon. I'll put a link to the playlist down below in the description. And if you're new to the GCH Guitar Academy YouTube channel, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and then you'll be notified when I upload that lesson, as well as all the other lessons I upload. Here's the tune again, to help you get really familiar with it. Rumble by Link Wray. Thank you very much for watching, and if you want to support the channel, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. It really helps. Thank you very much.